Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can I transfer from Revolut to a bank account? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. The answer is yes, you can transfer from Revolut to a bank account. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to make sure that your bank account is supported by Revolut. Revolut supports a number of banks, but not all. You can find a list of supported banks on the Revolut website. Second, you need to make sure that you have verified your identity with Revolut. This is a security measure that Revolut takes to protect its users. Once you have verified your identity, you can transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. There are a few different ways to do this. You can use the Revolut app, or you can use the Revolut website. Once you have initiated the transfer, it will usually take a few days for the money to reach your bank account. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when transferring money from Revolut to a bank account. You can only transfer money to a bank account that is in your name. You can only transfer money in your local currency. There is a limit to the amount of money that you can transfer in a single transaction. Revolut may charge a fee for transferring money to a bank account. I hope this helps. Additional information. You can also transfer money from Revolut to other Revolut users. You can also use Revolut to send and receive money internationally. Revolut is a great way to manage your money, and I highly recommend it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. In conclusion, yes, you can transfer from Revolut to a bank account. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind before you do. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. I'll see you next time.